We are aiming to provide the best help. Reading articles might not be enough, that's why we conducted an interview with a professional lawyer. Law is one of the career opportunities that the Humanities and Social Sciences strand offers.
Do you have any particular reason for choosing your profession?
Yes, I have. To be honest, being in the practice of law for me is both an honor and a privilege. When I was young, it was my dream to become a doctor and not a lawyer. However, due to circumstances, some things pushed me to become a lawyer. And also, we have to admit that in the field of law, or in the practice of law, we can say that we can help a lot of people, not just our family, and we can become an instrument of change, of delivering justice to other people.
What are your main responsibilities as a lawyer?
As a lawyer, I believe that my main responsibility or duty is to uphold the law, to deliver justice, especially to those who are poor and to those who have less in life. As the saying goes, those who have less in life should have more in law. So I believe that is one of the main reason why we have lawyers. That is to uphold the law and to deliver justice in the society.
What do you like most about your work? And what do you like least about your work?
What do I like most about my work is that I get to know different kinds of people from all walks of life. I get to know and hear their stories and give them advice, be of help to them. And of course, I become an agent of change for truth and justice. And what do I least like about my profession is that, of course, being in the practice of law, we all know that it's a very stressful kind of work. We get we tend to spend our time usually studying, researching, doing research. But of course, at the end of the day, it is always worth fulfilling.
How does your job affect your general lifestyle?
My job affect my general lifestyle in a sense that my time is always dedicated to appearing in court, as there are always hearings. Of course, now that we are in the modern world, or in the age of technology, in order to do or perform our job, we need to have our laptop. So, in short, I always have with me my laptop, where I get to draft legal documents, contracts, meetings, and of course, we always tend to get busy, less time for travel, and more on time for work.
If you could do it all over again, would you choose the same path for yourself? If not, what would you change?
If I can do it all over again, yes, I would still choose to become a lawyer. Because for me, it's worth fulfilling. I get to help other people and become an agent of change. Of course, there's a lot of opportunities in store if you are a lawyer. So yes, I believe it is still worth risking.
What steps would you recommend I take to prepare to enter this field?
Well, of course, before you take the bar exam and before you become a lawyer, of course you have to enter law school. And being in the law school, you have to study hard, read a lot of law books, cases, and of course a lot of, you need to have a lot of determination and perseverance for you to be able to survive and pass the bar.
Within your knowledge on the K-12 curriculum, do you think choosing the right track is necessary in pursuing a profession?
Well, not necessarily for me, but But of course, if ever that you have chosen the right strand or track prior to being in college, like for example, right now you are in your senior high school and you have taken up STEM, and later on you are planning to take up nursing, definitely you would have an edge, considering the subjects that you have enrolled are preparatory for those subjects or courses that are in line with the STEM program. But nevertheless, for me, it will still matter if the student is really hardworking, persevered, and really studying.
If you were to take an academic or non-academic strand, would it be humanities?
Probably yes, it can be, because before I enrolled in law school, I have realized that instead of mass communication, I should have chosen the field of psychology. So it was also my dream to become a registered psychologist. Unfortunately, I was not given the opportunity. So if given a chance, yes, I would